Hey everybody, Ryan Chapman from Base Training here, and I just want to make a little video to give you a little tip on a homemade modification you can do for the straw on your Profile Design Aero water bottle. Okay, if you're not familiar with these, this is a Profile Design Aero water bottle. It mounts in between your two aero bars on your bike. And a lot of you, I know, probably if you found this video, are using one of these on your tri bike or your road bike that has aero bars on it during your triathlons to be able to get water or some type of sports drink or fuel while you're in the aero position. If you take the straw that comes with it and it mounts right there in your aero bars, when you're in the aero position, you're able to get water very easily. Now you may notice that I've done a little modification on the straw here on mine if you already have one. But basically what comes with the unit is a hard plastic lower straw and then a softer plastic upper straw that is meant to be trimmable to whatever length you want it so that it's at the right length for you when you're in your aero position to grab a drink. What I've done here is, instead of trimming this down, or instead of just trimming it down, is I've actually modified the end of it to have a CamelBak bite valve. Okay, so this is a typical bite valve that you would find on a CamelBak backpack, any type of hydration pack. I think this particular one is the first one I ever did back in 2008 when I thought of this idea, and it's not actually a CamelBak bite valve, it's some other company, but regardless, I do have one here that is a CamelBak bite valve. So this is one I have on another one of my aero water bottles. And basically what you have here, it's a simple modification. I don't know if you can see that, but the end of that is basically just an open silicone end. Okay, so it's stretchy. You can kind of stretch the end of it, and it is made out of silicone. So all you do is stretch it over this larger straw, this soft plastic straw here, and then I used electrical tape to tape it on there. Not very high tech. There may be more high tech ways to do it, I don't know, but it's simple and effective. It is a bit of a pain to get this smaller silicone end over this larger tube here, but it does work eventually. If you work at it, you can get it over it, and then you can even pick your color of electrical tape if you like to match your bike or whatever, because electrical tape comes in a whole bunch of colors. So anyway, that's pretty much it. It is a very simple modification that you can do to the straw to make it much more usable and much more functional. Because when you're in the aero position and you bite onto this bite valve, if you go over bumps or anything like that, you don't get this straw jammed up into the roof of your mouth, or at least not as easily. So I found it to be very useful for me. I hope you find it useful too. And feel free to email me or let me know if you have any questions about this. Thanks.